Welcome back to the Iron King Inc. YouTube channel. We got a D10N, came into the shop today. We're gonna go ahead, get her unloaded, get her pushed off the trailer, and check it out even further. The trucker's out of hours for tonight. It's about 7 o'clock. We're gonna get back here at first thing in the morning, get this dozer unloaded. Dressed out on a trailer like this. Big fucker. Come on, dude, more than 8. Oh, yeah. Down the fucking canyon road.
Alright, so it's around 8 o'clock right now. Chuck just showed up. The dozer does not move, so we had to put the axle shafts back in it to stay on the trailer. So right now, I hopped up in the 988. Martin's down there with the driver. I'm gonna go push up against the dozer to relieve the pressure on the axle shaft so we can pull them out. We got a chain hooked to the bucket, the back of the ripper. We're gonna pull out axle shaft right here using this tool.
So the plan is, Robert's in the 988. He's gonna push on the back of the ripper beam and loosen up this axle shaft that's in here. That way we can pull it right out. And then this thing will freewheel and it should roll right off the end of the trailer. And it is hot as out here. I think it is gonna be 100 degrees today. There you go. Did you already get the other side?
I gotta get the middle down.
Oh, okay. So basically how that tool works is it has a thread on the end of it, threads into the end of the axle shaft, and you can thread that thing on there and then you can pull it out. I've made a few of those in my lifetime, but we actually bought this one from the local cat dealer. I think you got it. Nice. So that's your center shaft, and then you're gonna have one more on the other side. Now this machine was brought to us, and again, a local customer bought a package deal at D10s. We actually have 2 more showing up today. The other 2, I believe, will start and run. This one doesn't have anything major wrong with it, but it's been slowly picked apart for little tiny odds and ends over the years. So unfortunately, we could not drive this one on the low bed, and we had to shove it on with another dozer out at site. And then obviously we're dragging it off with that 988 right now. Damn, it's got some power. Skidded that whole fucker across the trailer. So there's one more entry on this side, so my bad. So there's actually 2 on each side. I like that tool.
Yeah.
I've just been struggling with pry bars over the years. So did you guys come down Horse Canyon, or where'd you come down from? What road?
Control 3.
Control 3, oh, okay.
All the way up and over the 8%.
Okay. Okay, so both axle shafts are out. So just it's gonna follow you back. So
Okay. Where are we going with it? Right there?
just get it off here first, and then we can figure that out.
Okay.
But it's gonna roll back with you, just so you know.
Okay.
You gotta tighten the other side there too.
Okay. Wow, we didn't even fuck your trailer up. It looks good.
Yeah, but boy, howdy.
Okay, stop. There you go. That's one way to get it off the trailer. Now we gotta find out where we're gonna put it. We're gonna go next to that D10, that D10, that D10. I think there's more over here. Yeah, that D10. Ew, yucky. There's another D10 over there too. We're gonna go ahead and figure that out, but main goal was get this thing off of the trailer. we need the undercarriage for one of our dozers. We have a rental machine that's got really bad set undercarriage, and this stuff is actually really nice. So we're gonna go ahead, get this thing shoved over into the dead row, hopefully move on to another one. That is a wrap on that D10N. We're actually gonna part that dozer completely out. We're gonna be selling all of the major components which are available. If you call us, we have all of the major stuff. We have the track frames, rollers, idlers, all the cylinders, the blade. So if you know of anybody, or if you are looking for any parts for a D10N, feel free to give us a call. Another thing, we have merch. Finally, I know you guys have been asking for a long time for shirts. We finally have them available. So here's our new merch that we came out with. This is one of 2 of the Iron King shirts. You have the 24H blade on there, our phone number, our parts, so you're kind of plugging us as well. Also, American flag on the side, front, Iron King Industrial Services logo on the front of that. And these are gonna be available online. You can buy them. I just placed a big order. So hopefully we're gonna have those up on our website, or a link in the description of a few of our upcoming videos, and you'll be able to buy those online. Just wanna thank you guys again for watching my videos and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. And as always, if you do like watching content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. I will see you guys in the next video.